Hi, if you want clearer and more detailed photos, this guide shows how to quickly turn on high resolution mode on your Samsung Galaxy camera for sharper, professional quality pictures. Method 1. Quick 50 MP do 200 MP switch fast access. This is the easiest way to instantly enable high resolution shooting when you need maximum detail. First, open your camera app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Once the camera is open, look at the bottom or side of the screen for the menu options. Tap the aspect ratio icon, which usually appears as something like 3:4 or 9:16 depending on your model. After opening it, you will see different resolution options. Select 3450 MP or 34 MP if your device supports it. This mode uses the full camera sensor, giving you sharper images with more detail. Now simply tap the shutter button and take your photo in high resolution. Method 2. Save high resolution permanently. Keep settings on. By default, many Samsung Galaxy phones reset the camera to a lower resolution like 12 megapixels when you close the app. If you want to keep high resolution enabled all the time, you need to adjust a setting. Open the camera app, then tap the gear settings icon in the top corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the option called Settings to Keep. Tap it and then enable high picture resolution. Once turned on, your phone will remember your preference and keep shooting in high quality even after you exit the camera. High resolution is now enabled. Your Samsung Galaxy camera is ready. Start capturing sharper, more detailed photos anytime you want.